Alright everybody, today we're going to take a look at the RealACC R20 drone. Now, I've had this thing for a long time. This one right here. But I bought this one and the damn controller was broken. So I sent Banggood an email and said, hey, the controller's broken on this thing. And they just sent me out another drone, another whole drone. So now I got spare parts and all this other stuff. But anyway, they didn't even question it. I bought so much crap from them, they just probably said, oh, he's never returned anything. And I wasn't going to return it. You know, if they wouldn't have fixed it, I would have... If they wouldn't have remedied it, I would have just did something else with it, you know, flew it with the phone or something like that. But they sent another one out. Yeah, of course it took weeks to get it, but, you know, they just sent out another one. And here it is. There's the manual. Here's the quick start guide. Has the, you know, the QR code for the app. Here's the charger. It's got a proprietary battery in it, which is right here. It's a 3.7 1000 milliamp hour. And you put it in, I believe, with the label up. Yeah. Put it in with the label up. Here's some prop guards. And here's the controller that actually does work. Okay, this is the working version. And here's some spare props. And that's about it. So now I got two of them. I'll put that over there. To charge the battery, you just plug it into the USB. It takes about 2 hours to charge it when you first get it. And you just plug it into here. A little red light will come on, and when the red light goes out, it's charged. These are fake antennas, of course. And then the phone holder is down there like that. So you could put a pretty big phone in there. This one, the controller, there's probably a bad... When you turn it on, it comes on, the light will flash on, and then it goes back out. So there's a bad connection in the button. It could probably be soldered on. You could probably solder that, and then it would be on all the time, so you would have to take the batteries. Every time you put the batteries in, the controller would come on. That's the only remedy I think that could work with this. Because obviously the button is damaged, so it's not really going to help you that much as far as that goes. But, you know, at least I got another quadcopter and another battery. So this is the black one, that's the white one. So that's pretty cool. But anyway, on this one here, it has the landing and takeoff right there. Then on the back it has the flip button and then the rate button, the headless mode, and I'm not sure. Oh, this is probably return to home right here. Return to China. That's the headless, rates, flips, takeoff and land. So it's pretty laid out pretty good, you know. It's pretty nice as far as that goes. And as far as the app, we'll just turn it on and bind it up. There's the on and off switch right there in the front. As far as the app goes, okay, down and to the right is to bind it up, or is the level calibration. Okay, the app at the App Store, it's called HTS UFO. Right there it is. Then you would hit the power button right here. It does this little ding, and then it will show you the video. That looks pretty good. So let's just start some video and then we'll take off with it. There we go. Okay, it's in the third rate now. Goes pretty fast, that yaw, it's pretty quick. There's the roll. Oh yeah, it's fast. Oh, it's quick. I think this will be a good one, guys. I think this will be good. Put it down in the low rate again. Let's try the headless mode. Of course, it's going to do that annoying beep. But it does work, as you can see. We'll take that off. Let's try flip. Okay, so the flips aren't working, but there might be a reason for that. Okay, it might not flip when it's recording the video, so I'm going to stop the video. Let's see if the flips will work now. No. Okay. So I'll have to figure that out. Why aren't the flips working? Okay. Maybe it's got to be in the higher rate. Nope. Oh well. Who needs flips, right? Let's land this one. And let's see if the other one will flip. Those motors are quite hot, let me assure you. Wow, them suckers are real hot. Nope. That was the return to home button right here. See, it's coming back. So, okay, well, the flips aren't working on either one of them, so I don't know what the story is with that. So, I don't need flips anyway. Who cares? Flies. This is going to fly nice, guys. I can tell you that right now. This thing's going to fly great. This is going to be just like that Hellaway 903 that I gave to Mike. This is going to fly just like that. As a matter of fact, it might even fly better. Alright. I predict this thing is going to fly nice if the motors don't melt. Okay? So if the motors don't melt, it's going to be a good one. So I just wanted to show you the comparison of them, the Tello and the Mambo, the size comparison. It's quite a bit lighter than the Tello and the Mambo because of course it's cheaper, but the size is about the same. I'll be very anxious to know what the flight time on this is going to be. Very anxious. I'm very anxious to see what the flight time is. But yeah, let me get it outside and we'll get it going and we'll take it for a spin. But I have a feeling this thing's going to fly real nice, even though the flips don't work. But in reality, I don't really give a crap about that anyway. I just do the flips. I don't usually, when I'm out flying by myself, I don't even do flips, okay? I don't even do that stuff. I only do that when I'm doing these videos and doing these demonstrations. Personally, I don't even waste my time doing that, so I don't care if the flips work or not. All right, guys, I'll talk to you later.